Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're getting the error, unable to run with driver verifier active, please disable and try again. When launching Battlefield 6, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes when prompted to allow changes. Step 2. Once Command Prompt opens, type this command, Verifier/reset, and then press Enter. This will reset any changes you made to the driver verifier manager, which is what's causing the game to fail at launch. Step 3. You must restart your system for the changes to take effect. After rebooting, try launching Battlefield 6 again, and that's it. The game should now run without showing the driver verifier error. If this fix helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help other players. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.